Hello traders, today is the 7th of February 2013 and the time in London is 24 minutes past 9 p.m. in New York, 24 minutes past 4 p.m. Happy trading to you all. London is now closed and New York is also closed. This is the Asia session. The title of this video is Full-Time Day Trader. At the end of this video, one will learn a few tips and tricks about day trading. Let's get started. Before we continue, I would like to say to traders that this video is for educational purposes only. It's neither a solicitation or an offer to buy or sell any financial instrument. It is primarily for the TSTW and the master key traders. All right. A full-time day trader. The first step, a full-time day trader, step one. We want to know what is the first step that a full-time day trader must take. The first step. As a full-time day trader, your first step is to scan for stocks, scan for financial instruments that you are willing to day trade. All right, so you do not, a lot of full-time day traders do not trade only one stock or one financial instrument. They trade many financial instruments. All right, some full-time day traders will take even hundreds of stock per day. Okay, this is about a full-time day trader. The first step for a full-time day trader is to scan for stocks. Alright, in this video, I want to give the example of a full-time master key day trader. Alright, so the rules of the master key day trading is about the stochastic being overbought on the 4-hour chart and stochastic being oversold on the 4-hour chart. So a full-time day trader that is using the master key day trading system will scan for stocks that are overbought on the 4-hour chart and also stocks that are oversold on the 4-hour chart. In the video that titled The Madness of Day Trading, at www.youtube.com/JoTrio. If you haven't watched it, you may do so. Alright, I was talking about 22 stocks that were overbought on the Dow 30. So we know that the Dow 30, the index is the Dow Jones itself, but the Dow Jones index represents 30 stocks, in America. And I was telling you that within those 30 stocks, there are 22 stocks on the 4-hour chart that are overbought. Because I've done my manual scan, because it's only 30 stock, I don't need any software to help me. I can just go through it step by step. I keep my eyes on the price, try to see exactly what the indicator is telling me, and also I can see whether the indicator has been distorted or not, instead of relying only on the software. So even if you use the software to scan for stock, you have to manually filter out the best setups. So if there's a distortion, you put it to aside or you acknowledge it. One of the problems that a lot of traders are facing, especially some of the traders that went to buy the TSTWSY S008 trading system. I see all the time, sometimes some traders, they trade only one financial instrument day in, day out. So for instance, there are some traders, they trade only E-mini every day. Alright, that's the only thing they trade. But with the TSTWSY S008 trading system, it has no fire, so to speak, alright, signals many times per day. Alright, so it's about cycle, so the cycle does not start every day. So somebody that is not full-time day trader, full-time swing trader, full-time trader, or somebody who is only trading one financial instrument will have may look at the TSTWSY S008 as not suitable for them, alright, because it does not fire many signals per day. Alright, the TSTWSY S008 trading system is for full-time traders. So if you trade many financial instruments, in fact, the specialty of the TSTWSY S008 is about swing trading. So if you are full-time swing trader, okay, you will find the TSTWSY suitable for you. So you have to scan for stock according to the signal given by the TSTWSY S008, and then you will fill it out, okay, the worst setups and keep the best setups, okay? And manually, you have to look at it, all right? So the same thing for somebody who is full-time day trader using the master key day trading. If you trade only one financial instrument, all right? So you trade E-mini only, or you trade only the Euro USD day in, day out. That's the only thing you trade, especially if you are a new trader. That's why I say to traders that sometimes for those who want to buy the TSTWSY 008, I say it's for advanced traders. I have a reason why I say that, because if you trade only one financial instrument, you may think that it's not what you need, all right? A lot of traders like the TSTW24. Why? Because the TSTW24 gives many signals per day. So even if you trade one financial instrument alone, you will find the TSTW24 useful, especially if you are day trader, because the specialty of the TSTW24 is for day trading. The specialty of the TSTWSY S008 is for swing trading. Though TSTWSY S008 can be used for day trading, the specialty for that tool is for swing trading. Same thing for TSTW24, though it can be used for swing trading, the specialty of the TSTW24 is for day trading. So the TSTW24 gives many signals, so even if you trade one single financial instrument, you'll be happy because it will be giving you a lot of signals. For a full-time day trader, the first step for a full-time day trader is to scan for stocks. So last time I was telling you that we have recognized it was exactly on the 5th, okay, 5th of March, 5th of March, all right, 5th of March, 2013, okay. I was telling you, I told you that there are 22 stocks on the Dow 30 that are overbought on a 4-hour chart, because for the master key, it's not every day that a financial instrument will be overbought on a 4-hour chart. So if you trade only one single financial instrument, so you may not be happy about it, all right? Because if you trade many financial instruments, or you are hedge fund, you trade loads of stocks, loads of currencies, that's suitable for you. So you just scan first and then manually do your selection. Okay, talking about the first step of a full-time day trader is about scanning. So doing my own manual scan, I have recognized that the Bank of America was overbought on the 5th. Okay, let's see what's happened. Okay, I'm looking for the 5th of, look on the, top left-hand corner here. Look here, okay? Look here, okay? Top left-hand corner of the screen where I'm moving my cursor. Keep your eyes there. I'm looking, you will see, soon you'll see the 5th. Can you see the 5th of March? 3/5/13, that's, the March 5th, 2030. Can you see on your top left-hand corner, okay? It's there. So here you can see, if I put a vertical line there, I want to show you what has happened, okay? On when I posted the video about the madness of day trading, I was telling you that there are 22 stocks, okay, for the master key traders on that, and this Bank of America was one of them. And that day, you know what's happened? In fact, the price gap up and ran away. Because what usually takes place, the reason why I like the master key, all right, is because the stochastic is overbought on the 4-hour chart. Majority of ordinary traders will place a trade to sell. Even experienced traders that do not understand the stochastic will place a trade to sell. But sometimes the price does not go down. That's when the master key will reward you. And you see on the 5th, if you do your scan, you see the price did run away. All right? It ran away. Even today, it ran away again. You see, this is on the 4-hour chart. So this is the session. Let's see. Look on the, now this is the 6th. Okay? So I was doing my scan in the night of the 5th. So on the 6th, this is the section of the 6th of March. You see? So the scan was done on the 5th in the night. On the 6th, okay, we want to trade. All right? So the 6th, you see, the price gap up. It gap up and ran away on the 6th. Again today, the price was going up again. All right? And also, that was the first stock. There was also Cisco, where I use Cisco here. Also on the 4-hour chart, we will keep looking on the top left-hand corner. On the 5th in the night, I scanned for stock that were overbought, and Cisco was one of them. Can you see there is there? Okay. So on the 6th, so if I put again a vertical line there, you will see verify this is about a full-time day trader, somebody who is trading not only one stock but many stock or many financial instruments. As I explained to you, if you want to use the TSTWSY008 or a master key day trading system, you can use it for one financial instrument, but you can understand that it's not every day that you're going to get a signal. But somebody who is full-time day trader will find a master key very useful, as I show you now. On the 5th, we do your scan. On the 6th, okay, you just wait for it. You see, a lot of traders were selling here. What the price did on the 6th, it went up. Okay, these two candles here. Again, today, it went up before changing direction. Okay, another stock that I scanned for manually was BA, all right, Boeing, which is here. Also, if you look carefully again, all right, you see on the 6th, all right, on the 6th, again here, okay, not too much on the 6th, but today you see it went up big time, though the stochastic was overbought on the 4-hour chart, okay? You see, there are many, 22 stock that we have, okay, recognized on this Dow 30, all right? So it's very, very important for somebody who is full-time day trader to do the preparation. So you scan for stocks. The computer will give you the list of the stock that you have, the parameter that you have set for your computer to search for. Then you are manually, okay, doing your selections, all right, and then you will decide which one you want to take. And also, of course, that day I was telling you that the Dow Jones is there, which is the index for this stock, was also overbought on the 4-hour chart. So, in fact, everything was aligned for us nicely. JP Morgan is one of them again. All right, you see. Look on the top left-hand corner. So, you see on the 6th. All right, can you see the 6th on the top left-hand corner? Okay. Also, on the 6th, it went up. Stochastic was in overbought zone. Even today, again, it continued movement to the upside, though the stochastic on the 4-hour chart was overbought. This is the gorgeousness, all right, as I like to put it to traders, the gorgeousness of the master key day trading system, all right. There were more stock, okay, on this for UTS. Do we have a UTS? I'm looking at my list here, all right. Intel was one of them. Also was overbought. You can see, look on the top left hand corner. You see on the 6th? It went up, okay, and then went up. These two candles here again. Stochastic was overbought on the 4-hour chart. Look, all this time the stochastic was overbought on the 4-hour chart. The master key day trader will be busy, okay, enjoying himself nicely, okay, but the price was going up. And then you can see a lot of traders were selling, trying to waste people's time, but the price just going up, okay. Overbought does not mean sell, all right. The master key day trading is a setup that is happening all the time. Also, somebody who is a full-time day trader, always, he will use the trading triangle. So, because these stocks are listed on the Dow 30, the index that represents the Dow 30 is the Dow Jones. So, the first thing you want to check is the Dow Jones. On that day, on the 5th of March, the full-time day trader will check the index, which is we can call it as a sector, is the leader, all right? So, the Dow Jones itself on that day, again, the stochastic was overbought. Can you see it? Okay, on the 5th, on the top left corner, you see it was overbought and was aligned with other stocks that were also overbought. And, okay, if it break out, there's a high chance that, okay, other, all right, you see, you will do exactly the same thing for NASDAQ 100. You check the NASDAQ 100, and then you select stock. So you want to play the master key on the NASDAQ 100 stocks. Check the NASDAQ 100 itself index, the NASDAQ 100 index. If it's overbought on the 4-hour chart, that's interesting. Does not mean that whenever the price the stochastic is overbought on the 4-hour chart, there will be a breakout. It doesn't mean that. It doesn't mean that, all right? But if there is a breakout, you as a master key day trader, full-time day trader, you'll be ready. Also, as a day, the reason why the full-time day trader will do his scan, because he doesn't come into the market anyhow. The market is a bit unfair. Why? Because you are day trader, you are trading against the market specialist, you are trading against the best professional, you are trading against the most experienced day traders, you are trading against the smart money, And if you don't have any preparation, any plan, where are you going? I mean, traders are complaining every day, but do your minimum, all right? Don't follow the step that I follow in the past and doing my own thing, all right? So trying to encourage traders, do your preparation. You are master key day trader, do your homework first. After you do your scan or yourself, not you don't have it does not have to be a computer that's doing you see I've done this by myself manually, all right? Just looking at it one by one. Okay, Microsoft was also one of them. Let's see. On the 5th, yes, was here. This one, you see, on the 5th, in fact, Microsoft went down. There was no signal for the master key, you see. So you want to look carefully. This is another one here, okay. All right. Do your preparation first, all right. And then, all right, do not assume anything, all right. As a full-time day trader, you must scan for stock, all right. Scan for the financial instrument. If you are full-time forex trader, it becomes a bit tricky. Why? Because of the correlation between currency pair. So the first thing, if you're full-time forex trader like myself, you want to check first the Euro USD and the currency pair that are correlated to positively correlated to the Euro USD. If you trade too many currency pair, you need to use a bit of hedging because forex is different from stock because of the link between the currency pair. So I trade mostly the Euro USD, the USD Yen, all right? I trade Euro GBP, the Pound Dollar, the Australian Dollar US Dollar, the New Zealand Dollar US Dollar, the US Dollar Singapore Dollar, okay, the US Dollar Canadian Dollar. These are the currency pair that myself I trade very, very often. But some days there's nothing there, so you just end up trading maybe one or two. All right, that's it. If you have trading stock, as I show you here, as a full-time day trader, you can scan for many stocks. Okay, this is okay. Hewlett Packard also. All right, on the 5th was also overbought, and there is also Merck and Co. also was overbought. You can see that it went up on the 6th. Here, this candle also on the 6th, but now you find a resistance coming down. All right, but what I need to say to traders that are using the master key, sometimes when the stochastic is overbought on a 4-hour chart, the reason why there's a breakout, the smart money is looking for a better resistance level. All right, the better resistance level. So sometimes you will see like here, the prime may just go up for maybe 8 hours to reach the best resistance level, and then you will see you just change direction and come back down. Sometimes it's because a new cycle has begun, which means the movement may continue for a long time. All right, may continue for a long time. Sometimes, like for the Intel, you can see that though here you can see it was overbought, but the price is still going up. Sometimes it's just because the smart money want to push the price to a better resistance level, so you see go up. Okay, and if you don't take your profit quickly, you can just come back down quickly. All right. J&J, Johnson & Johnson, was one of them also on the 5th, was also overbought on the 4-hour chart. Though I'm talking only about overbought, it's also valid for oversold. So the gorgeousness of the master key is that the stochastic is oversold on 4-hour chart. Majority of traders will be busy just buying. Well, you as a master key day trader, you know that there is a time when you can sell, and you know how to sell. So you scan for stock that are oversold on the 4-hour chart, stock that are overbought on the 4-hour chart. As a full-time day trader, the first step for a full-time day trader is the preparation and the scanning. Okay, if you have any software that scan manually, scan automatically for stock for you, that's great. I don't use them. I do everything manually. Even for Nasdaq 100, I do it manually because I want to keep my eyes on it. I'm going one by one. Now with the smartphone, wherever I am, I can still go to them and see what's going on, and I just note them down. Okay, that's what I do. I don't rely on software to do it for me. But if you want to trade thousands of stocks, all right, then you need software that will scan it for you. But you have to look at it and filter out, okay, the worst setups. Okay. All right. I hope you have enjoyed this video about the full-time day trader. Okay, the first step of a full-time day trader that you will put into use, okay, to make excellent trading decision. To summarize quickly, somebody who is using the TSTW24, that's okay. You do not need to be full-time day trader. You can use it anytime, even if you trade one financial instrument, that's okay. If you want to use the TSTWSYS, use your 8. It works for one financial instrument, but it's better if you trade many financial instruments. The master key day trading works for one financial instrument, but because you want the stochastic to be either overbought on the 4-hour chart or oversold on the 4-hour chart, if you trade only one financial instrument, you're not going to see many setups per day. It'd be better if one has, many financial instruments. But if you are trading forex, you need to be very careful. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. This is about the full-time day trader first step. Thank you.